Alrighty, we're going to be taking a look at configuration not found issues. Um, Generally, what we're going to have to do to remedy this is by creating a path map on PVCS. And let me just give you an example of a particular configuration file not found error. So we go to Open Project Database, we open our project, DB. You're going to see right here, wrong server, wrong folder, basically the path to the file. It can't find that config.cfg file, which is the configuration file to the project. So normally where it says wrong server, we would get these errors because, let's say, you move from one server to another, so the host name changes. Sometimes it could be a drive letter. So for instance, if this project was once on the T drive, and then you moved it to like a Z drive or W drive, just any drive, it'll give you these issues. Well, what we can do is we can spoof that particular path using our version manager file server. So it'll trick VM into thinking, hey, that file's there. And to do that, we're going to have to open our file server admin tool. Let me go ahead and open that up. Do that by going to Serena, version manager, and file server admin. We'll go to path maps, and this is our original location, but let's go ahead and let's give it a fake path. Oops. There we go. So we'll enable it, path name. What we're going to want to do is we're going to want to take everything before the configuration file. So as you can see, wrong server, wrong folder, archives. And we're going to want to put that as the client name. Just give it that entire path. So it would be wrong server, wrong folder, archives. So right here it says project DB path. What we're going to want to do is we're going to want to reference that to a particular folder that we have on our file system. So for instance, if we go to our C drive, let's just create a folder by the name of new folder, give it test path. Okay, so now that we're in there, let's create a file with the same name as the configuration file in that error. So it would be config.cfg. Yes, of course. Okay, go ahead and minimize that. Let's give it that same path. So would be test path. Check this. Okay, so now PVCS is sort of thinking, hey, that file is going to be there. So now if we go to open it up again, click OK, open project databases, PDB. Okay, and as you can see, we were able to open it that time with no errors. Once you do that, you can give it a new file location by going to right-click and Properties. I'll do that again. So right-click, go to Properties, and Configuration File right here. So I'll just give it the original location of where it was before. File servers, PDB, and then PVCS will continue to use your new file location. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, go ahead and contact Serena Support. We'll be able to help you further. Thank you, and you have a good day.